Okay, right now we're going to learn about the font color. So for applying the font color or for changing the font color, we need to learn the process. And you can see here after line number 24, we don't have any blank space for writing the new lines. Therefore, you need to press the enter button from your keyboard. And till line number 30, I have taken the lines. Okay, in line number 26, I want to write a text and I want to use heading 1 tag. So we will have the stronger and larger text. Let me type H1. This is my heading tag, and let me write, this is my red color text. Let me save it and let's take a look in our browser. Okay, so we got our text in here. This is my red color text, but is the colors changed? Answer is no, because we just applied the basic H1 or basic heading 1 tag in here, but we didn't apply it in style. For changing the color, you have to apply the style. Okay, therefore what you have to do, you have to place your mouse cursor inside the angle bracket. So therefore after H1 you have to press space button from your keyboard, then you have to type style, or you can just press the tab button. So once you will press tab button, you will have this equal sign and then you will have the quotation mark. Okay, and inside the quotation mark you have to type color, C-O-L-O-R, or you can press tab button. Then you will have this structure. So what we got at first, we need to type style, then we have to type the equal mark, then we have to type quotation mark, and then inside the quotation mark we have to type the color, and after color we have to type colon, and then we have to press space button. And now which color you want to apply to the text, you have to type that name of the color. So as an example, let me type red, R-E-D. So you can see here, when you will write red, it will automatically mark to the red color. You can see here, because this is the, what is this? This is tag and this is the attributes. So when you will declare any color name inside the attributes, you will have the result. Okay, and then what you have to type? You have to type the semicolon mark. Now let me save it, and now let's take a look at the output. Now you can see that our text color is just changed. Okay, so this is little, I think this seems a little complicated than before, therefore I'm explaining once again. So for changing color, what you have to do? You have to apply the style. So therefore what you have to do? You have to use the H1 or heading 1 tag, but inside of the angle bracket you have to press space button from your keyboard. That means with H1, and after H1 you have to take a space, then you have to type style, then you have to type equal, then you have to type the quotation mark, and inside the quotation mark, this is my opening quotation mark and this is my closing quotation mark. Inside this quotation mark you have to declare the attributes, and the name of the attributes is color. So here is the color, then you have to put the colon button or colon sign, then after colon you have to type the name of the color, and finally you have to type the semicolon, and make sure these things are inside the quotation mark, and then you have to close the angle bracket. So you can see here, this is the angle bracket closing sign, I mean this is called the greater than sign. So then you will have the result for the elements. This is our elements and this is the closing tag, then you will have this output. Okay, so this is very simple process for changing the color.